In this video, I will show you how to change your language on PayPal. So I'll show you how to do it on the website, but you can also follow along in the app. What you want to do is just open up PayPal and sign in. And from there in the top right, click on the settings icon. So just go to your settings. Then from there you will see this. So under account options, what you want to do is click on language. And usually what you will be able to do is set it to the language of your country or set it to English, which is more of a general language. So in my case, I can choose English or Dutch. Now, if you want to have a different language, you will need to be from that country in order to set it to that language. For example, if I'm from France, I can then set it to French. Now, if you still want to change it to something else and you are on desktop, then there is something else you can do, which is to get the Google Translate Chrome extension. So I'll just show you how that works as well. If I add this to Chrome and then go to PayPal. So if I now want to translate this page, what I can do is just click on this icon right here, or if it doesn't show up, right click anywhere on the page, and from there click on Translate To. And then from there, here, just going to click on the three dots and click Choose Another Language. And then choose the language you want to translate your PayPal into. So for example, I can also select French. And then if I click translate, now everything will be translated into French. However, the downside of it is that you will need to do it with every page that you change to, but now I can just click translate to French and it just translates it very quickly. So that is another option for if you are on desktop. So that's how to change the language on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.